Scientists have just found actual genetic clues for ME/CFS. That's myalgic encephalomyelitis chronic fatigue syndrome. And yes, that's the same illness under two names. ME is the original medical name from the 1950s, meaning muscle pain plus inflammation of the brain and spinal cord. CFS came later in the 1980s from the CDC, but many patients feel it made the illness sound like just being tired. But that name stuck in public health systems, but it also fueled decades of stigma. Now researchers and advocates use ME/CFS to cover both. But scientists used the DNA of over 15,500 people with ME/CFS and found 8 genetic regions tied to the illness. And these aren't random. They're linked to how the immune system fights infections, defending against viruses, especially RNA viruses, chronic pain responses, and antimicrobial defenses. So some of the key genes here are OLFM4, which fights microbes, ZNFX1, which helps detect and fight RNA viruses, and CA10, which is connected to chronic pain. And what's huge here is validation. This is biological proof ME/CFS is a real medical condition, not a psychological one. And the results match what patients have been saying for years. Many cases start after viral infections, just like long COVID. And this was also a community-powered study. Tens of thousands of patients filled out questionnaires and mailed in DNA samples to make it happen. Now these genetic variants only explain part of the risk, so treatments aren't here yet. But this is a game-changing first step. For millions living with ME/CFS, this is science finally listening. But do you have a medical mystery you want me to dig into? Drop it in the comments with the hashtag AskJack. But until next time, keep questioning and exploring.